Bonafide Hustler here. It is a beautiful day outside, and it's a perfect day to see what we can find at garage sales. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of my house. It's the perfect day for garage sales. There might be 5 or 6 or 8 or 10 that we're gonna check out, but you never know what we're gonna find. I'm gonna take you guys along with us. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money making guide right here. First link down below. Go check it out, and it'll teach you 50 items on what to buy and resell that you could commonly find at like thrift stores or garage sales. Okay, so we are gonna go to our first one here in a second. I'm ready. Got the bike rack on the back of the SUV. Everything's kind of ready to go. Just kind of waiting on my girlfriend. I don't think she's gonna want to be on camera today, but it's all good. It's a pretty morning though. There aren't that many garage sales, but you know, that was the case last weekend, and I scored really big. So you know, just all it takes is one. We're gonna find that one. All right, first garage sale of the morning is sitting right there. A lot of wacky things, almost looks like a reseller. Let's go check it out. I don't know how much, all kinds of wacky things, little video games here and there. Okay, not finding much at this garage sale, but I mean, it's definitely a lot of things. So we didn't find anything at that garage sale. There was a ton of items, but you know, I find that if I go to a garage sale that has a ton of stuff and I find myself spending more time than I need to, then there's a higher chance of me buying some stuff that's not gonna be profitable. I'm just buying to be buying, you know? So we don't wanna be doing that. We're on our way to our next one. Okay, next garage sale is somewhere down here. Should be on the left over here somewhere. Say it's kind of huge and that's benefiting some Colombian children thing. I do see a lot of cars in this one area. I see a sign right there. Oh, I think it's in this like church thing. Okay, so we're gonna have to park. Let's go see what's at the sale. I love these overcast days. Perfect time to garage sale.
It's for sale.
Oh, shit. Some boots down here, but they're 25 bucks. It's a little too much. Yeah, it's too basic. Yeah. All right, so I walked out with this Beatles shirt. Nothing crazy. This in the booth will be like 20, 30. Nothing, like I said, nothing crazy. It's a 2006 shirt. Obviously, it's not vintage, but kind of stuff that would sell in the booth right here. Girlfriend got this leather bag for free. Nothing crazy. That'll go in the booth for like 20, 30. Someone will like it. Not much to talk about, but for free, we'll take it. Okay, the next garage sale is somewhere down here. We're a pretty good part of town, considered North Campus. Oh, I think I was here last weekend. This dude had a scooter. Wait, I think it was this guy. Oh, maybe it wasn't, but there's some weird stuff here. Found some cool boots right here. These are definitely really good for the booth. Some nice jean jacket. I wouldn't show a whole lot of interest in that stuff before the guy comes up here, just so you know, you're gonna market pricing. All right, girlfriend popped on this right here. We have kind of like it's a plastic, it's not stained glass, but it's, it could be stained glass.
Yeah, I think it is.
It doesn't really sound like it.
No, it doesn't usually. It doesn't usually.
So this will probably be in the booth for like 20 to 40, but they screw that down.
Yeah.
Some cool boots though. Don't know who makes them. It kind of looks like Tony Llama. Yeah, they're Tony Llama. They could be Elephant. I think that's Elephant.
Yeah,
it could be Elephant.
They need a good cleaning.
Yeah, good cleaning, and these are nice.
Look, they're not even. Look at the soles.
Yeah.
See, they're barely even worn. So once we clean them.
She bought everything for 15. That'll go in the booth for like probably 80 to 100 of those boots because they're really nice. And then we also have this jean jacket. We always pick these things up because in the booth these sell for like 30 to like 50. So some cool stuff. I got some cool wacky shorts that I'll probably kind of cut to my spec, and I'll use them. They're so weird though, and I love them.
That whole table's free.
This is the next garage sale. Ooh, I want that salt lamp though. This salt lamp looks amazing. Salt lamp thingy for sale?
The salt lamp?
The thing that's right there?
It is. How
much is it?
I was gonna clean it before.
Yeah.
Sorry,
It's okay.
Okay.
How much is it?
Just $5.
Cool. I mean, it's just this.
It's just the salt. We can test it here too.
I mean, I can put a bulb in it. It's not a big deal.
Are you by chance selling this chair?
I am.
What
Oh.
are you selling?
That is $10.
$10?
Yeah. Thank you.
How much are these?
Oh, I'm not selling that.
Yeah, let's
so
do
I
the
have
chair.
to-
We can split it.
that out.
We can put it in the booth today.
Here, I think it just needs just so we have.
Here, you just give me $5. I'll give $10. You pay me $5. This is for the chair.
Oh,
Cool.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the small change.
Yeah, you're welcome. How much is this stuff? Is it?
That's free.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I just take it all? Do you care?
Yeah, take the thing if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need this really bad.
Um,
I need all this stuff. That's really good.
okay, so 4.
This MCM chair is going to be worth some coin for sure. I mean, look at the legs on this thing. Yeah, this is dope. So, that's going to go in the booth today.
Just grab one
Okay.
end and then.
Yeah, this is, we paid $10 for this chair. We get all this cool car wash stuff for free, which I love, and some wood filler. But I need car wash stuff, so this is great. Look at this thing. That's pretty cool.
And it spins.
And it spins.
And
Yeah.
it spins.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is going to be somewhere between 2 and 4 in the booth. Something like that. All right, next garage sale. We're really trying to find this one mirror that was... Next garage sale is over here. We're trying to find this one mirror that we saw in the listing. It's a pretty nice mirror. Maybe we can grab it. Maybe we can't. That's the reason why we had the SUV on us today. We are technically early. That's cool.
Okay.
Go around the back.
Good. It's an accent chair as well.
Yep.
All right, we're in this garage sale looking for stuff. Might pick up these crazy little glasses. Nothing nuts. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I could put my laptop in this thing. Kind of like it. I'm gonna have to buy it. It's leather too, even better. I think my laptop is bigger than this. But it's nice. Yeah. I think it's for laptops.
Ooh, that would be cool for your computer case.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna try to buy it if the guy ever comes back here. So we're like totally alone in this garage sale right now. Like the guy hasn't shown up in a while. How much is some of the stuff around? Just a pair of glasses, this thing?
Yeah, I'm just gonna start, for the glasses, maybe 5.
5, okay. So you said 5 on the glasses?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll probably pass on that.
Well, how about, what feels good to you?
Like, I'll do $2. Oh, how much is this? I'm more interested in this thing. I'm just curious.
Oh, about 5.
5 on this?
2 and 5?
2 and 5. Okay.
And then.
There's something you wanted back there, right, babe?
Huh?
Something.
Yeah, the little sunflower chest.
Oh, yeah. How about...
Oh, that's a good deal. Yeah. Should do it. $5 is good for me. Do it. Stuff. Yeah, this is 12 right here. 7 me, 5 her.
Okay,
So there you go.
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. So I walked out getting this for $5. Got these glasses for $2. This I'm getting for a friend. So yeah, I'm hoping my 16-inch laptop fits in this. That would be nice. This is actually like nice leather. Hopefully it works. Girlfriend popped on this. Oh, you got some crystals?
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. $5 for this sunflower case. Honestly, in the booth, when she gets tired of it, this would sell for $50 all day. But she got some crystals. That's nice. Doing all right at garage sales today. more for personal stuff, but that MCM chair, the more that we looked that thing up and kind of getting familiarized with it, the more we're starting to feel that that thing has the potential of selling for like 500 actually. So we are going to list it locally and at the booth for around 500. Let's take one last look at, let's take a look at this thing. Dang, it looks good. It looks so good.
Interesting finds that last garage sale. It's kind of a busy street. We're outside of a Goodwill, and we're gonna go inside and see if we can find anything cool here. I like this Goodwill a lot. It's on Airport Boulevard, Austin, Texas.
Oh, these are cool. I'll pick these up for personal. Pretty sure I'm gonna get these Timberland boots just for myself. These are really nice. $21.49. It's a good deal. All right, we're actually in a coffee shop that is new in Austin, Texas, called Palomino Coffee. What a really interesting coffee shop. I feel like I'm in the Southwest somewhere. All right, so the girlfriend did not want a coffee, but we got this acai. We got this acai granola donut. Blueberry acai donut. Look at this thing. What the hell? Well, how is it? Put you on the vlog for a split second. We're gonna put you on the vlog for a split second. Are we? Oh my gosh, this is historical right here on the Bonafide Hustler vlogs. Oh, she put it in her mouth. Terrible joke in the comments below, I'm sure. All right, that looks pretty interesting.
So yeah, when I'm in a chill mode, and I thought the morning was okay. It wasn't the greatest morning, but we did find that freaking chair. We have one more garage sale to go to, but I usually get cortados on easy mornings like this. The last garage sales of the day is sitting right here. A bunch of clothes. Doesn't look that great, but you just never know. So yeah, a lot of clothes, a lot of ropas, as they would say here in Austin, Texas.
You get that thing. Those are cool. Those are really cool. Let's see how much these are. Don't grab it. Don't touch them. How much is the boots?
The boots, 100.
100. And then how much is the plant on the ground over there? There's like a plant. Is it
Oh, no, that's
not for sale? Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay, we have two more garage sales, and they look kind of interesting. She's like getting completely worked up. She wants to go so bad. All right, let's go check it out. It's a guitar case. Could be a cool guitar in there. You never know. We're gonna look for sure. 40 bucks. Let's see. Does it feel like it has a guitar? No. Actually, no. Definitely doesn't have a guitar in there. So we're in this area of town right now because we just saw a garage sale populate that came last minute. So if you watch my last garage sale vlog, true garage sale vlog, you'll know that it was the same case last weekend. Something populated like last minute. I went to it and I stand to make like $500 to $1,000 off the stuff I found from that garage sale. This is the weirdest garage sale ever, man. What the hell? Look at all these chairs. What is going on? Is this even, what is this thing? What? Why are there so many chairs? I don't get it. There's even, look, there's even small chairs. Every size chair possible is at this garage sale. What in the world is going on? This is a 920, C920 probably. A good webcam to buy right here. I'm gonna ask how much it is. All right, our adventures brought us to the Remix Market. This is like a weird kind of thing in East Austin. And it's really hot out here, so I'm just like uncomfortable. But I bought for $35 two 29er mountain biking wheels, probably with tubes. The tires are in great condition. So yeah, this will probably sell in town for like 100 pretty easily. And then we have a 35mm Nicormat, or by Nikon Nicormat camera. So that's kind of nice. Look that up later. And then I got this built well, maybe a Gringo, maybe a Bonanza helmet. But this thing is pretty cool. Oh, it is a Gringo. There it is. Okay. So yeah, built well helmet. So this will sell locally for like 60 bucks. And then this one right here, TBD, but I'll look it up later. But yeah, you know, some finds, nothing crazy. Nothing really sticks out today besides the chair, which we're gonna drop off right now. But yeah, outside of that, nothing that really stands out today, but it was a good day. So let's go to the booth. All right, we're outside the antique booth and we are making price tags for things that we're gonna be dropping off. Looks like we'll be dropping off
The sunflower box, the MCM rocker chair back there, suede jacket and jean jacket that's right here. Let's get in the booth for a second and get this drop done. All right, we're sitting here in the booth and it looks really good. There's so much stuff in the booth right now. Booth 199, Austin Antique Mall. There is just stuff everywhere in this booth. It's awesome. Oh my gosh, did we just pan over to Bonafide Hustler eating a banana. This banana is super good. But you know what else was super good? That garage sale vlog. I'm getting it edited right now. This is the last clip. I forgot to close it out. But I hope you enjoyed the video. That chair was super awesome. We did put it in the booth for 500 bucks. So we'll see if that gets sold. But I thank you guys for watching the video and comment down below what your favorite find was. And I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. I would like to eat my banana. Take it easy. Goodbye.